dancing with somebody. Don't you know something? I don't know what the words to that song is though.
Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Jenelle. Those of you who are returning, welcome back. And in today's video, I will be doing a video on my hair.
Subscribe, share.
Yes, so the video is actually about removing hair color, and today's star product is this right here. I will read what it says. It's called JOICO Color Intensity Eraser. Removes direct dyes, semi-permanent color in one step, conditions and protects, revitalizes the hair, endless creative uses. So I guess it can do more than 30 volume, but like it said 20, so I got the 20 and we're going to try it today.
Get my surgical hair gloves and get the process ready for you guys.
I went ahead and sectioned off my hair in threes. The back is actually in a ponytail because the back of my hair does not need the color removed. I only bleached the front of my hair. So this is how it looks, the powder. I'm not a professional. I am doing this based on instructions from the packet and my experience with bleaching my own hair. So I'm guessing 3 ounces. I put in this much before I started anything, if you can see. Oh, this looks so blue and so nice. Put some grease like around my edges, the hairline. I'm actually very scared, but at the same time so excited to see if it works. And put around my hairline because I don't know what's about to go down. You don't know what's about to go down. Just know if this video is posted, I did not lose my hair. I did not wash my hair, took out the braids, and now I'm about to apply the product on it. So going with this section, I should probably first section, and so I'm just going to just I'm so scared to see what's going to happen. Y'all, why I feel like I perm in my hair or something. Oh wow. Ooh. Okay, this is really strong, so yeah, just be mindful of that. That's like extremely strong. This is like extremely strong stuff. Yo, this is so strong. So be careful when you're doing this. I feel like I'm not gonna have no hair at the end of the video. So let's hope this don't turn into a big chop. I don't think I needed 2 packets because I'm not doing my whole head. So it looks like it's enough for the top.
This is water. Remember, I am not a professional, so be mindful.
Alright, so I came up closer so you can see how this is going. It's surely going up. So I'm just holding it this way and like using my hand like if it was a foil to brush the product on.
And then I just pin it back in with that's in the back already. Ooh, we messing up the floors. Trust yourself, go to the hairdresser. And if you see hair coming out, that's because when you take out braids, after taking out braids, your hair usually tends to, the dead hair usually comes out. So don't be thinking that my hair is falling out. It's not falling out. It's not falling out. Alright, and I'm just going to separate this now. I was only pinning it up because this section was already, yeah. So wrapping this in, clumping it down. I think I'm just going to take like excess and just run the product through the hair, the ends of the hair. I'm just scooping it up at this point in my hand. And rubbing it on the hair, massaging it. So guys, oh my gosh, look. You can see it happening already. Like the blue. Can you see this? The blue is coming out. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, the blue is coming. Oh my, so I'm just going to wrap it back up. I have extra product left back in the stuff. So I'm just going to clamp this. I'm just going to wait the 30 minutes. Alright guys, so as you can see, the blue is already lifting, and I'm going to clean up here now. I'm going to just let that sit now, and we will come back and see how it looks.
So guys, I'm actually looking at it and I realized like this part of my hair did not have color. I think it's actually bleaching my hair. And I thought it's not supposed to like trouble. Like it says removes direct dyes, semi-permanent color. So why is it like bleaching my hair? I mean, not that I mind. I don't mind. But I thought we were supposed to just be removing color, not lifting my natural hair color. So I think I'm going to wash out this section and let the other two sides go and process, but I'm going to wash out this right now because I don't want my hair to be bleached. Really, I don't mind, but I don't want my hair to be bleached, so I'm just going to try and get rid of that now. I'll be back. All right, so I'm back, and guys, I actually washed it all out. I didn't want to just wash out the one section because that thing was like it was moving really fast, so I washed it out and I came right back. I did not look at it, so we're both going to be seeing what it looks like when I take off this shirt. So yo, so it did bleach my hair. It removed the color, but it did bleach my hair. Yeah, so as I said, I didn't want to leave it in anymore because it started to bleach my hair, but I'm glad that the blue is out now. Look like a little ragamuffin dolly. Oh my gosh, I think I love this color. So I think I might wear this for a while, and oh my gosh, I think I love this. I love this color. I actually really like it. Do up my hair, push it down in my face, like pin up here. Yo, this looks really nice. Like, should I use the excess and bleach the rest of my hair? No? I think I'm going to do the rest because I'm like excited about this color.
Oh my gosh, yo, look at these. I mean, yeah, some of the blue's still there, but I didn't really want to leave it in too long, but most of it is gone. Like, look at this. Oh my gosh. I mean, some of my curls dead to the world, but that's fine. I'm okay.
So yes, I'm actually just going to do the back of my hair now. I want to see if this is the hair that's been untouched, free from bleach. I want to see if it does bleach this hair, or it's just because like chemicals was close to the other one. But yes, I'm just going to. Alright guys, so I left it in for like 10 minutes, and this is for the back. Oh my. So guys, this says it's a color remover, not your natural hair color. So it did bleach my hair. I feel like that's misleading because it says color intensity eraser. It's not supposed to lift my hair color, is it? But then I feel like because it's like bleach, because it's this mixed with it, it's just bound to be like a bleach. So it's you if you want to try it. I've washed my hair. Oh my gosh, my song playing. I have different colors. I left out so black. I'm about to put on a deep treatment mask, and I picked this up at the beauty supply store. Was it?
Wait, I'm going to let this sit on my hair for, did they give a like recommendation? Leave in 5 minutes, rinse thoroughly. Yeah, a lot of people like leave stuff in their hair forever. So I'm actually going to leave this in for like 20 minutes, go and eat and watch some TV, and I'll be back.
Alright guys, so I actually left the product in for like about a whole hour because I ended up cooking, and I don't know what color my hair is. This is how much hair after. So now I'm going to actually use conditioner and this smoothie in my hair, and I'm just going to leave. This is my finished product. I'm not going to like, I would have twisted my hair in, but I'm just going to let it air dry. I just use the conditioner and the curling smoothie. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Comment what you'd like to see next. Also, this is in preparation for getting a next color. I did try to remove the blue just now, so don't suggest blue, but comment below what color you think I should do next, And guys, I will see you in the next video. Or in the next video, you will be seeing what color I got. And yeah, I think I know. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share. Bye.